Hi there, it's Manal from Minis Craft Boutique. Thanks for watching my tutorial today. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pencil holder or a storage box for your desk organizer. It's made out of chipboard and it's a very you can say ideal size to hold your stationery items or your makeup items or whatever you like to just store them in. And it's a very sturdy box, as you can hear the sound of the box, and it measures 4 by 3 by 3 inches. So let's get started. Let me just pop these back in. Okay, so for this box you're going to need cardboard, 4 pieces that measure 4 by 3 inches. Now I've already gone ahead and put some strips of paper that is going to join your box together, but I'm definitely going to show you on this one how you're going to do all this. Okay, so you need 4 pieces that measure 4 inches by 3 inches, and this is a 3 by 3 inches square. You also need these strips of paper, which I've cut into the length of the cardboard, and their width is 1 inch, and I have just folded them in half. Now this paper is just your simple copy paper or your printer paper. Okay, so what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to take your glue and you're going to cover this top part of the cardboard. So this strip measures 1 by 3 inches, and on both halves of the strip you're going to apply the glue, and you're going to cover it like this. Make sure that the edges align really neatly. If in case there is a bit of an overhang, you can cut it anytime. There's no need to worry about it. So just make sure that it is all properly glued. Okay, now for the bottom of the box, what you're going to do is you're going to take another strip that measures 3 by 1 inch, and on only 1/2 of it you're going to put glue and just paste it like this, only on 1/2. Just flip it over and give it a good press. Okay, so for these sides you need to take one strip that measures 4 by 1 inches, and in the same way you're going to apply glue on 1/2 of it, and you are going to just stick this like this. And these flaps are going to be your joining flaps to give the box its shape. Alright, just take your folder and make sure the glue is all spread inside properly. Alright, now what you're going to do is you're going to prepare all your 4 side pieces like so, in the same way that I have just showed you. Okay, so one by one you are going to put glue on this hanging half of the flap like this, and you are going to align these 2 chipboard pieces together. Make sure that you leave enough gap between both the 2 pieces, so that when you bend the sides of the box there's enough room and your paper doesn't tear. So you see, there needs to be enough room for the bending or the closure of the box. And you're going to do this with all pieces. you're going to join this flap with this part here, like so. Okay, so this is the basic structure of your box. As I told you that if there is any kind of overhang, you can always trim it later on. So now for the base of the box, you're going to take your 3 by 3 inch square, and what you're going to do is just fold these flaps towards the outside, and you're going to fix it on the inside like this. I hope it's visible to you. Let me just focus. You can see that the base of the box has clearly aligned itself on the inside of the box. Now what you're going to do is you are going to apply glue on these all 4 flaps, and one by one you're going to attach it to the base of the box. You're going to adhere the base flaps like very gently. Just press it and just turn it over, and with the help of your ruler or your folding tool, just give it a nice push on the inside as well. Okay, so for the inside joints you're going to repeat the same process, but now this time you're going to put glue on the outer side of the flaps on both sides, and you're going to first of all align it with the base of the box. Okay, so I'm done with all the sides. I've covered the joints at the base as well and on the sides as well. So now it's time to decorate it. uh, for the sides of the box and the inside of the box, you're going to need pieces of paper, any decorative paper that you want, and this measures 2 and 3/4 by 3 and 3/4. And for the base of the box you will need a piece that measures 2 and 3/4 by 2 and 3/4. Now if you wish to cover the base underneath the box, that's entirely up to you, but I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm just going to cover the inside of the box at the base. So let's just finish the decoration now.